Problem number 12, worksheet 5, projection of plane. And this problem is from engineering graphics book by Professor PJ Shah sir. And this is from the exercise problem number 4, chapter 9. Detail says that a hexagonal lamina is there which is having edge length or side of 30 mm. It is resting on horizontal plane. And how it rests? On one of its sides. Side से rest किया हुआ है. And addition to that, one more statement is available. The side which is on the horizontal plane is perpendicular to the vertical plane. So this is going to be the step 1 what we produce. Hexagonal lamina, 30 mm side, resting with one of its side on horizontal plane. Now the second step suggests that the surface of the lamina is going to be inclined to horizontal plane by 45 degrees. And this third step shows that the lamina is then rotated through 90 degrees such that the side on horizontal plane becomes parallel to vertical plane while the surface is still inclined to the horizontal plane. So this is going to be the step 1, this is going to be the step 2, and this one is going to be the step 3. Draw the front view and top view of the lamina in its final position. This is the task what we want to perform. Now let us draw this particular problem. So we first have to draft the reference, and after drafting the reference we have to draft a hexagon with the dimension which had been mentioned in detail, 30 mm edge length. So what I am doing is I am drafting a line over here, and how it rests? It is resting with one of its edge. So what can we do? We can draft a circle with 30 mm radius, over here, and we need to have side resting with one of its edge. So we have to position it like this. यहाँ से दो arc construct करने हैं, यहाँ से दो arc construct करने हैं. So now we have got the position resting with one of its side. Now join these points. Now we have to place traces of these points on the reference, and we have to place notations also. So ये points रहेंगे A, B, C, D, E and F, and these points are going to be A dash, B dash, C dash, F dash, D dash, E dash. Okay. Now it is inclined to horizontal plane by 45 degrees. So I'll be positioning A dash, B dash over here. I'll be taking an angle of 45 degrees. Drafting a line for 45 degrees. Transferring the projection of the plane from the front view over here. Transferring other point on the reference what we had developed. Place notations C dash, F dash, D dash, E dash. Transfer its projections from the front view to the top view. and from here you have to draft the projections from the top view to the top view. पॉइंट का नोटेशन लिख दीजिए ए बी सी डी ई एंड एफ. Now make AB parallel to the reference. AB को reference से parallel construct कर लीजिए. So I'm separately taking a line, drafting a line over here, which is parallel to the reference. Reference से parallel एक line draft कर रहा हूँ. उस line पे मुझे दो point चाहिए. कौन से point? A and B. और you can have D and E also. So we can take D. चलिए D यहाँ पे transfer करते हैं. I'll be taking length equal to DE and transferring E over here. पर यहाँ पे डेटा में आप देखिएगा विच इज ऑन HP मेंशन किया हुआ है द एज विच इज ऑन HP इज बीइंग पैरेलल टू VP. तो वो आप इस प्लेन को ऐसे भी रेस्ट करवा सकते हो. योर DE शुड बी ओवर हियर और AB कैन बी ओवर हियर. तो दो में से कोई भी रखेंगे. AB इज ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी पैरेलल टू द वर्टिकल प्लेन और XY रेफरेंस. तो दोनों पोजीशंस वैलिड है, एक्सेप्ट कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी पोजीशन D, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी पोजीशन E. E यहाँ पे चला गया, D यहाँ पे चला गया. आई नीड टू हैव अदर पॉइंट्स. आई नीड टू हैव D EF. तो EF का आर्क लेंथ ले लिया और E से आर्क कंस्ट्रक्ट कर लेते हैं. वैसे DF का आर्क लेंथ ले लिया और D से आर्क कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं. सो दिस पॉइंट इज गोइंग टू बी F. वैसे A पॉइंट चाहिए तो DA जितना आर्क लेंथ ले लीजिए और D से आर्क लगाइए. वैसे EA का आर्क लेंथ ले लीजिए और E से आर्क लगाइए. सो दिस पॉइंट इज गोइंग टू बी A. वैसे B चाहिए तो वी कैन गो फॉर DB. B के लिए आर्क लगाइए एंड वी कैन गो फॉर EB. E से आर्क कंस्ट्रक्ट करिए. सो दिस पॉइंट इज गोइंग टू बी B. C चाहिए तो गो फॉर DC. D से आर्क लगाइए एंड गो फॉर EC. Mark an arc from E. So this point is going to be C. Now join all those points. EF, FA, AB, BC, CD and DE. Now transfer all points in front view. Transfer points from front view to front view and develop match the points. Point match करेंगे तो A कहाँ पे मिलेगा? It is going to be over here. B कहाँ पे मिलेगा? It is going to be over here. We'll be finding C over here, D over here, E over here and F over here. So this is going to be the projection. So this point is going to be A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash and F dash. ये एक मेथड रहता है. Second method is also available, but we'll be discussing it